Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to answer one of the subscribers' questions where he asked me why do I keep my body fat so low. So I'm going to answer this question in this video. It is exceptionally unusual for people to maintain a low body fat year round, especially at my age, which makes it even more difficult because of how your body changes as you age. Typically, such low body fat can be risky and potentially leading to hormone imbalances, compromised immune function, and other health issues. However, people are different and they do have unique physiological makeups that can naturally support low body fat percentage while still maintaining good health. I am fortunate that I am able to do this and still be in good health. I keep my body fat. I go as low as 4%, between 4 and 8% year round. I don't go any higher than 8%. Right now, I'm about maybe 7% because I choose to. There are several reasons why I'm lucky that I can keep low body fat and remain healthy. Number one, genetics. Some people have genetic predispositions that allow them to function optimally at lower body fat levels than the general population. Number two, diet and nutrition. If your diet is exceptionally well managed, providing all the necessary nutrients and maintaining hormone balances, it could offset negative effects of low body fat. And the other one is regular monitoring, which I do. I keep track of all my blood biomarkers and I give regular checkups that help me detect and mitigate potential issues early, contributing to my health. In addition, I happen to be very fortunate because all my family members, the men, are all naturally ripped since we were kids. I just maintained my physique for the last 40 years, 45 years. I've always been ripped my whole life. People that know me. The real reason why I keep my body fat as low as possible is several reasons. Number one, joint stress. I have no pains. I don't wear wraps. I have no pains in my body. And I'm talking about I exercise every single day. Every single day. I jump. I run. I resistance training, flexibility training, mobility training. I do everything. In the morning when I wake up, I have zero pains and I contribute this to my low body fat level. Number two, visceral fat. I will never get visceral fat with this body fat percentage. Visceral fat is dangerous. It's dangerous for longevity and it causes serious age related diseases. Number three, I feel lighter. I feel more energetic. The thing about it is this my diet, I calorie restrict. You have to calorie restrict year round to have such low body fat percentage. And what is calorie restriction? According to research, it is the only intervention proven to extend lifespan. So I have been calorie restricting my entire life. Literally, I've been calorie restricting my entire life. Maybe this is why I have no diseases. I don't know, but that's another reason why I maintain low body fat because it helps me calorie restrict. However, even though I calorie restrict, there is one thing I don't restrict, and that's protein. I eat 200 to 250 grams of protein daily, and I'm only about 162, 161, 163, depending on the day, pounds. So you do the math. I'm getting about 1.5 grams of protein per pound of body weight. I respectfully disagree that protein will harm you because absolutely not, especially at my age. Although I am calorie restricting, I am maintaining my muscle health, my muscle quality, my fast twitch fibers. I train them, and you need protein to maintain these. Another thing I do that's very important to keep my low body fat is I take specific supplements. People say supplements don't work. Oh, supplements do work and they do help. It depends on which ones. All my supplements are backed by systematic reviews, all of them. I will not take a supplement if it's only proven in mice or mouse studies. It has to be proven in human research, human studies. You need to take supplements. They are a must. When you have low body fat percentage, you need to take supplements. And I'm not talking about vitamins. I take zero vitamins. I will never take vitamins. Why? Because if you're into longevity, you eat a healthy diet. Your vitamin levels in your blood have a number, okay? If you're above that number, it's toxic. If you're below it, you need to replenish. In other words, if let's for example, vitamin D within a certain range, I forget the numbers. Within a certain range, it's healthy. By taking more vitamin D, it's not going to do nothing for you. It's only going to hurt you, and that's with all the vitamins. So if you eat a healthy diet, you don't need any vitamins. Anyone into longevity does not need to take vitamins because if they do need to take vitamins, that means they're not into longevity because they don't follow a healthy diet. That's just my opinion. Supplements I take are important for your body. The supplements I take, you either need to eat a lot of food or you can get it from everyday foods. For example, I take rhodiola rosea, schisandra. These are excellent for controlling your hormones. These are adaptogens. You can get these from foods. This is why I take them. I take curcumin for inflammation. You can get that from foods. I take NAC, glycine. You can get glycine from foods, but you would have to eat a ton of it. Okay, so I just take the supplement. These are important because your glycine levels drop as you age. NAC increases glutathione. That's why I take it. I take L-citrulline. You would have to eat a ton of watermelon to get the citrulline for one serving. I take a ton of L-citrulline. I take 20 grams of L-citrulline daily, divided in 4 doses of 5 grams. You can't get that from food. It increases nitric oxide levels in your body, which is important for your entire body. I take 20 grams of beta-alanine, again, 4 times daily, 5 grams. Beta-alanine, you would have to eat a ton of food. It increases carnosine levels in your blood, which is proven to maintain muscle health, especially as you age. I take 20 grams of creatine daily. Again, 4 times daily, 5 grams. Why? Because creatine, oh my goodness. Creatine is incredible for your bones, for your brain, for your heart. It reduces aging at the cellular level. It's good for telomeres. And last but not least, it's incredible for your muscles and for exercise performance. I can go on with the supplements. I'm going to make a separate video on this because it's going to be a lot longer. Okay, I'm just trying to make a point that to have low body fat, you must take the exact supplements. You must have the perfect nutrition. That's the only way you can maintain low body fat year round without getting yourself hurt. And last but not least, I don't get sick. I, I don't catch colds. And if I do get sniffles within a day or two, it's gone. Okay, so the low body fat is not harming me there. I don't get sick. I'm very fortunate with that also. So I guess I have a unique makeup. I don't know. I don't take any drugs to keep my body fat level low, none whatsoever, because I had this my entire life. I have been ripped my entire life. Anyway, I hope this answers the question why I keep my body fat low. Have a great day. I am working on a video with my top supplements for longevity coming soon. Take care. Stay healthy.